With this tutorial, I want to show you our new feature. With the Gingiva feature that we developed, you can match Gingiva colors by only using paste, ceramic, or ceramic layering, or both. And you can use it for your like full arch cases to make natural looking Gingiva colors. Or of course, you can also use it to match certain areas with single or multiple unit cases. Before getting started, you need an OptiShade photo. I recommend to use OptiShade camera to measure the color of the Gingiva. You can also use a DSLR camera with a gray card, but I recommend to use OptiShade because it's more accurate in measuring the color. So these are the pictures that I already uploaded, and those pictures are taken with OptiShade. So I select the picture of the target Gingiva actually that I want to match. So I selected my pictures here, and then I click on Start Task, Get Recipe. So we have all these features here. You can watch these tutorials you can watch the tutorials for the other features on our YouTube channel. But we go now to the Gingiva section, and you can see we have staining and ceramic. Staining is staining recipes to match Gingiva colors, and this is ceramic recipes. You can use them separately from each other, but you can also combine them, first staining and then ceramic. So the correct way to use it actually is to do first staining recipe and then apply the ceramic recipe on top. That is the ideal way of using it. So this is, please read this message before you get started. We have a clear explanation how it works, the practical application, what tools you need, the ideal thickness of applying the paste ceramic, and the tutorial. Okay, so let me show you how easy it actually is to generate a recipe. So we are now in the staining section, and here on the right side we have the brands that are integrated at this moment, and we will continuously add more brands. So let me show you some brands how to generate recipe. Let's start with GCLP gum. So you select the brand, and then you have 3 color pickers here which you can use to measure any area that you wish to get the recipe from. So I would recommend to get a recipe on a darker area, a recipe on a let's say from dark to bright, right? From the darkest to the brightest, to have like 3 recipes, and then being able to create a lifelike gum, applying the darker layers first, then the middle dark, and then the brighter on top to create a beautiful transition, and create a natural looking gum. Okay, so let's see the region 2. For example, here it's a little bit brighter. So these are the recipes for region 1, region 2. Let's see a little bit here. So these are the recipes that I can use. Of course, I can measure more areas. I can create a beautiful color palette, create a beautiful color palette by measuring on different areas, create a palette, and then when you start painting the gum, you can also visually see how your gum is starting to look. Let me show you another brand, Mio Pink, for example, Plum Merlot, Trans Garnet, Trans Midnight, and Trans Raspberry Thistle. So you can see that the recipe contains the ratio of the color. So it's 4 times Trans Raspberry and 1 time Thistle. Here 7 times Trans Garnet and 3 times Trans Midnight. So this is ceramic paste. So we developed a silicone portioner specifically to measure the recipes. So to measure the recipes and prepare your mixture. Okay, so you can look up, you can go to our website and go to our web shop, and there you can see all the products that are developed specifically for making the recipes or measuring the colors. Let me show you another brand. What brand do we want to use? Let's try Biomic. So this is the mix for Biomic. 2 to 3. So you can create a beautiful color palette using these colors. So with Hera Ceram, smoke pink, pink, 2 times pink, 3 times Gingiva 7. Okay, so you can see it's very easy. Just mix and start painting your restoration. Let's go to ceramic. Again, please read these instructions. For ceramic, we have 4 brands. Ceramic brands available now. You select the ceramic brand, you select the color of the zirconia, the available space, and then you measure. And then it will give you a mix with ceramic. So you can apply this mix on top of your stained zirconia, or you can apply it without staining the zirconia. It really depends what you are trying to do. Let me show you another brand. Hera Ceram Sapphire, for example. So you apply the thickness, measure, and it will give you a recipe. So it's pretty easy to use actually. 2 steps, take the recipes. You can also save the recipes, and yeah, take the recipes and start creating beautiful lifelike gingiva cases for single units or for your full arch cases. This is it, guys, for the gingiva. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. You can email us info@matisse.ai. If you are in the app, if you are in the software, you can chat with us. Here on the right corner, there is a chat box. If you achieve beautiful matches, send it to us. We are really looking forward to see what you are doing with this great feature. Also, if you share cases online, on Instagram or on Facebook, please tag us, Matisse Shade Matching. And I hope you like it, enjoy, have fun, and create beautiful gingiva restorations. See you in the next video.